Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to silence unknown callers on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the settings button down below, and then you should scroll down and tap on privacy. Scroll down until you find the calls option. Tap on it, and here you have one feature: silence unknown callers. Calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. They will be still shown in the calls tab and in your notifications. So if you want to turn it on, tap on the button next to it on the right side. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.